Okay guys, so this coolant sensor I discussed in a previous video that I was replacing it. Unfortunately, this old connector's no good. I'll explain more on that later. And this style I replaced it with is the single pole style, and apparently they're not as good as what I'm going to upgrade it with. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out. It's a 3/4 socket. Again, if you have coolant in here, you're not going to be able to waste any time on it because the coolant's going to leak out. So I have the luxury of not having completed this thing yet, so I can take my time and replace this. So there it is out. So there's the sensor that I was going to use. There's the old connector, and like most of this stuff that's original equipment, this clip no longer works. So I have no confidence that that will stay on. So I went ahead and I bought the new sensor. I got the NTK sensor, and it's got the good clip on it there, as you can see. And this is the part number I got. And so what we're going to do is go ahead and install this sensor and splice the wires together. It comes with these splice clips. I don't know. I don't read very many good things about these clips, so I don't think I'm going to use them. I think I'm going to use good old tried and true crimps. We're going to go ahead and get started with this and come back. So I've gone ahead and stripped these wires there, and we're going to go ahead and put this thing in. It already comes pre-wrapped with the sealer on it. 20 foot-pounds is all you need. And remember, it's a tapered thread, so if you start reefing on it, you're going to crack this spot here on the block, and then you're not going to be very happy. So make sure you torque it correctly. You don't want too much. So we're starting that in now. I did inspect it, make sure that nothing of it was cracked in there from previous installations. So we're going to go ahead and torque this down. There we go. That should be enough. We heard the click there, so we should be good to go. So now we're going to splice this together and get this job finished up. So there we are. The wires are stripped, and I went with the crimp, and then we're going to plug this in and we'll be done. I'm just going to take some electrical tape and wrap that all up nice. Okay, so there we are, completed. Just remember, you don't over tighten. If you over tighten that sensor, you can crack this around in here, and then you got an even bigger problem. So just use, I just went with the spec that came with it, 20 foot-pounds. So that's it for now.